Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Tuesday, November the 21st, 2012, and here is today's midday market update. Want to first start off by taking a look to see how the indices are trading right now. The Dow Jones is up 39 points, the comp is up 6, the Russell's up 2, the S&P 500 is up 1.5 here. Taking a look at the ETFs, the SPY is up 19 cents, the IWM is up 25 cents, the triple Qs are up 9 cents, the DIA is up 34 cents. Taking a look at a couple of the key sectors here, let's see, the GDX is up 55 cents today. Pretty good run of the GDX today, I'll have to say, and a nice little comeback in the GLD. Crude oil is down 14 cents. The action going on over there overseas between the Gaza, who is it? The Gaza and the Israelis, was it? The Gaza and the Israelis came to a ceasefire, so therefore crude oil sold off. Oil index is up 4. BKX, the banking index, bank stocks are a little bit weak today here. BKX down 32 cents. Volatility index down 10 cents. SLV flat, and copper is down 50 cents on the JJC. So let's go ahead and take a look at the at the charts here. There's a lot of two opportunities this morning that we highlighted. We'll take a look at those charts, but let's go ahead and talk about the market first. A couple things that we were watching in the market going into the open was the fact that we had this nice little upward channel that took place from overnight on the 15-minute chart. As you can see on the top of the screen here. So right when the market opened up, they did a little shake and bake action on the ES, sold off, came right back inside the channel. But then we were watching, first of all, going to today's open, we're in a range-bound market. That range on this 15-minute chart you can see here is between 1390 and 1377. So it made sense for them to kind of sell this top of the range here on the open. So we had some little selling pressure, but then we sold off, caught a bid at 1384 on the ES, and we've been trading sideways ever since. 1388 is a level to watch. If we can hold above 1388 and get back above 1389, we can maybe make a nice move back above 1390. At the same time, right now, as we speak, as I'm doing this video, we actually got some volume. Should be coming in now as we were breaking this little volume pattern right here. But anyways, we're back above. We're trying to break back above the previous day's highs. 1387.5. We've got to get back above 1388. We're back above the opening price. We're back above the previous day's close, and we held this low right here. So off today's session, you can say that we're in a range between 1388 off the opening session and 1384. If we can hold above 1388, we can get some nice traction. You can see the 15-minute chart still has to worry about this bigger range from the overnight highs around 1389. We take out 1389, you're looking at 1391, 1395. Does that happen today? We'll have to wait and see. We'll see this volume start to pick up right here as we speak. CRM. All right, so let's go talk about some stocks that we traded this morning in the chat room. Starting off with the highlight of the day. Going into the open, we talked about some stocks that were in play. CRM was one of the ones that we had on watch. Holding above 149 is bullish. 149. Why do we say 149? If you take a look at the chart here after hours from yesterday when the numbers came out.
770, but it even.
All right, let me take off the studies here real quick. What you can see is that CRM was trading in the range here after hours. After selling off a lot, sold all the way off down to 140, rallied all the way back up, then traded in this nice range between 148 and 149. So that's your level to work off. Then pre-market this morning, it was above that 149 after hours high. So we're looking to get involved to the long side, and it had this nice little setup with the market looking to get a pop on the open, and that's all it needed. This stock was a buy right over this high right here at 150.50. We call this trade out for a long over 151 over the 1-minute bar high, and this one worked out pretty damn well. And if you take a look here, let me put the studies back on the chart. Style, show studies high. All right, put this one back on the chart. Our 1-minute chart here. You can see I called this one out for a long. Once it took out this 151 level, got long
confirming the truce agreement reached between the Palestinians and Israel, which was to begin at 1900
I saw that early.
p.m. Eastern Time.
But then it gave another opportunity to buy it to the long side again right here at 154.5.
Minister making a statement on television with U.S. Secretary of State Clinton standing
next to him. A lot of
next
good stuff out there. Let's take a look at another trade that we called out. Let's take a look at another trade that we called out in the chat room, and that trade is John Deere, DE. Okay, let's bring up John Deere. By the way, CRM looks to go higher. I know it's extended right now, but on a day like today, you don't want to try to fade this stock. At least I wouldn't. Yeah, it could go down, but I wouldn't try to fade it. Either you were long the stock and you made some money, or you just stepped to the side. I would not try to fade the stock. It's a very strong stock today. So John Deere, what we're watching on John Deere, pre-market notes on John Deere, 83.33 is a 50-day simple moving average along with the exponential moving average on the daily chart here. Holding below 83.33, then holding below 83 is bearish. Pre-market low is 82.75. You take a look to see what the stock did here. We got short 83 with 20 cents risk. All right. Yeah, you can't see it on the 5-minute. We took the chart off the 1-minute chart, obviously, but we got short at 83. We got short at 80 at 83 with a stop at 83.20. That one worked out pretty well, and we rolled all the way down to 82. Obviously, we had 82 was our S2 for support. 81.18 was our next support level for support 3. That was a gap fill, and you can see it never got all the way down there. It got a nice little bounce off at 82, rallied all the way back up, and it's right back down. If you're looking for a stock to trade with action, DE is the name that you want to be in. Just looking at my couple of other stocks that were in play this morning that we did not trade. CRUS was in play this morning. The notes that I had in CRUS was holding above 32 bullish, holding below 32 bearish, just for the fact that the location on the chart where it was at, and you can see here, what did it do? Well, it held below 32 and below the opening price. It was a fade, and now it's chopping around the previous day's highs around 31.07. Guys, if you have not been to our chat room yet, go to wallstreettrading.com. We hit them out the park left and right on the good days when there's something to do. We're involved. When there's nothing to do, we're on the sidelines. We're on the markets more than, we're on the right side of the markets more than 80% of the time. You have to be in the chat room to realize that, to witness that for yourself. All in all, hope you guys have a happy holidays. I really don't expect much action on Friday, as I believe the markets closed at 1 o'clock p.m. And that's about it, guys. Have a happy holidays. Enjoy time with your family and friends. Watch some football. And last but not least, make sure you go to our YouTube channel, My Wall Street TV. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Watch the videos. Check out the website. We have a blog with a whole bunch of information for some new and experienced traders. All in all, have a great day, guys. I'll catch you guys after the close for the after the bell market summary. And cheers.